The day has finally arrived. We got the new car. It's amazing. We've been to pick it up this afternoon, and yeah, all I can say is it's pucker-ding. It's just bloody marvellous. It's only going to be a short video. What I'm going to do is, after I've driven it for a few days, I'll give you a bit of a review and a look over the car. It's got a full service history. The last owner just spent over €1,000 on 4 new tyres. It's got a brand new spare. It's been serviced. The garage that we've just bought it from has just serviced it. And funnily enough, it was a Peugeot garage, and they gave me a list of the mileages where the diffs want the oil changing and the transfer box, and they even had on it change the oil in the gearbox. Now, you know, we all know this is Land Rover, sealed for life gearbox, you don't need to do the oil, but Peugeot garage say, I can't remember what mileage they said to change it at. I think it was a bit high. We're going to change this as soon as I got the workshop sorted out. But it drove home absolutely spot on. So there's a few too many gadgets in there, and I was getting a bit distracted. I should really have left the gadgets until I got home. But I managed to change all the language back into English. Yeah. So I'll give you a little bit of B-roll, bit of drone, and what I'll do is during the week I'll get some more video. We'll go for a little drive in it. This is just to show you a little bit of a teaser, really. See how, and we'll go for a little drive and see how good it is. So if you like this video, although there's not much of it, please click the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and from me and Tina, oh, she's getting the washing in, it's bye for now.